Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, May 19, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay. Just need this coffee to wake up. How about you?
Same here. I'm running on empty. Too many late nights with client calls. Let's get this coffee and chat for a bit.
Sounds good. I've got a few minutes before my next meeting. What's new with you?
Oh, same old sales stuff. Trying to close some deals. But hey, did you see that news about the big international meeting in Europe? They're saying leaders from over 20 countries are working on a new trade agreement.
Yeah, I read about it. It's a huge deal. They want to make trade easier between countries. It could help a lot of businesses. What do you think about it?
I think it's great for us in sales. If trade gets easier, maybe I can sell more products overseas. Less paperwork, more deals, more money in my pocket.
Haha. Always thinking about the cash, huh? But seriously, I think it's good too. As a project manager, I see how hard it is to work with rules from different countries. A new agreement could make projects smoother.
True. Less headaches for everyone. I just hope they don't take forever to sign it. You know how these big meetings go? Lots of talk, not much action.
Yeah, that's the problem. They need to move fast. Many companies are waiting for this. Let's see what happens in the next few months. I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Same here. Hey, pass me the sugar, will you? My coffee tastes like mud today.
Here you go. Yeah, this coffee is not the best, but it does the job. Speaking of jobs, did you see that other news? The one about the new tech app for small businesses. They say it can save companies a ton of money.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Some big tech company launched an app to help with budgets and stuff. They're saying it can cut costs by like 30%. That's huge.
It is. I looked into it a bit. The app uses smart tech to track expenses and find cheaper options. For small businesses, that's a game changer. It could help them grow faster.
Man, if I had that app for my sales budget, I'd be set. I spend way too much on client lunches. Saha, do you think our company would use something like that?
Maybe. I'm thinking of suggesting it to my team. We're always looking for ways to save money on projects. Plus, it's easy to use from what I read. Even I could figure it out, and I'm not great with tech.
Come on, Alex, you're better than me with that stuff. I can barely use my computer some days. But yeah, saving money is always a win. I hope it's not too expensive to get started, though.
True. They said there's a free trial, so maybe we can test it. I'll check with my boss later. It's exciting to see new tools like this. Tech is changing everything so fast.
No kidding. It's hard to keep up. Hey, while we're on news, did you hear about that big music festival coming up? They're expecting like 50,000 people in one city.
Yes, I saw that. It's one of the biggest festivals this year. They've got bands from all over the world. It's not just music, though. There's art, food, and even talks. It sounds amazing.
Man, 50,000 people. That's crazy. I bet the city will be packed. Good for business, though. Think about all the hotels and restaurants making money. I'd go just for the food stalls. Haha.
Haha, you and food, David. But yeah, it's good for the local economy. I like that they're mixing culture and music. It's a nice way to bring people together. I wish I could go, but I'm too busy with work.
Same here. Too many meetings. But hey, maybe we can watch some clips online. I heard they're streaming parts of it. Could be a fun break after a long day of emails.
Good idea. I'd love to see some of the bands. It reminds me of festivals I went to when I was younger. Back then, I had time for fun stuff like that. Now it's just projects and deadlines.
Tell me about it. Work takes over everything. But hey, we've got to keep going. Maybe one day we'll take a day off and do something cool like that festival. Dream big, right?
Right. It's nice to think about. Even just talking about it makes me smile. I think we all need a little break sometimes. Work is important, but so is enjoying life.
Totally. Balance is the key. Man, this coffee break went by fast. Feel better now, though? Ready to tackle some calls? How about you? What's on your plate today?
I've got back-to-back meetings. Trying to finish a project plan. It's going to be a long day. But I'm okay. This chat helped. Thanks for the coffee talk, David.
Anytime, Alex. These breaks are the best part of the day. Keeps me saying, hey, let's catch up again soon. Maybe tomorrow at the coffee machine?
For sure. I'll be here. See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Take it easy with those meetings. Catch you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.